Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to collaborate on Instagram. So if you want to collaborate a post with somebody on Instagram, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So collaborating a post on Instagram just means that the post will show up on both of your guys' profiles. Keep in mind though, you can collaborate with only one other person. So you can't do like 3 people, it can only be up to 2 people. But first things first, you want to head over to the Instagram app. So once you're on the Instagram app, you'll be brought to your homepage right here. And to collaborate with somebody, you have to make a post. So first you would click on the create a post button, and then you choose the photo that you want to collaborate with somebody on. So once you choose the photo, you just click next in the top right corner, and then like you can do whatever you want. You can add filters or whatever. But once you get to this section here, you want to click on the tag people option right below the write a description or write a caption. Now if you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here, and if you should be able to see the invite collaborator button right below the post picture. Now if you can see that, then you just click on it, and then you will be able to search for the person that you want to collaborate with. So let's say I want to search collaborate with my other account. I would search for my other account and then add it as a collaborator, or invite them as a collaborator. Then you would put your caption and do whatever else you need to do, and then post the post. But as you can see, once you first post it, the person has to accept the collaborator option, otherwise it won't show up on their page as well. So you have to wait for them to actually accept the invite. Now as you can see, I switched over to my second account, and unless you're following them, you actually can't find any notification that they invited you as a collaborator. So to find the post, you actually have to search for their profile. Or if you're following them, then the post should show up in your homepage, or you can just go to your followers list and then find them there. So here I am at my second account, and as you can see, here's the post right here. And as you can see, there's an option to accept the collaboration invite. If you click accept invite, then it'll ask if you want to accept it, and you just click accept. And once you accept the invite, it will actually show up on both of your guys' pages. So make sure that you tell the person that you want to collaborate with to accept the invite after you send it. But as you can see, here is now a collaboration between 2 accounts. But if you delete the collaboration on the account that made the post, then it will delete the post on both sides. So as you can see, if I click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then delete the post, then that will delete it from both sides. So keep that in mind if you're ever going to delete it. But that is how you collaborate on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.